Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your SpO2 stats on the Notify for Xiaomi app. To see your SpO2 stats, simply go to the home screen and scroll down. Here you'll be able to see it. If there is no data visible, there are two possibilities. First, your smartwatch or whatever device you have linked to the app does not have an oximeter. Another option would be that it's disabled. Go to the settings and make sure SpO2 is enabled. This will enable your watch to start actually scanning your blood oxygen saturation. If those are enabled and you don't see any data for this still, that means your watch probably doesn't support it. Another place you can see it at is in device. In here, scroll down to weekly fitness data and you'll be able to see it if you scroll down a little bit. Your weekly stats. You can also click on add if you want to add a value of your own. Though, unless you're using external devices to measure your own data, you might want to avoid adding it unnecessarily. If you don't see this on the home screen, you can scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Home Order. In here you can make sure SpO2 is enabled, and if you want it in a different spot, simply tap and hold on it and drag it to a different place. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.